All right, guys. I had set a goal of raising my acceptance rate to 70% before the holiday tomorrow, and we did it. So based off of my 70%, I'm getting priority on higher paying orders. All right, guys. This video today is going to be about peak pay. Today is Saturday, the 10th. It's going to be my first peak pay delivery. Basically, you have to make sure that you check out your promos, and your promo is gonna say what your time for the peak pay is. Today it's gonna be between 5:30 and 7:29 for an additional $2 each delivery, and from 7:30 to 9:29 extra $2 delivery. So my goal today was to try to get a schedule. I was hitting schedule and checking for available times, back and forth all day checking. I got lucky enough and I have scheduled today, Saturday, on the schedule part. I ended up getting a schedule from 4 to 12 in the morning. So that means that from when the peak pay kicks in, it'll adjust the price on my deliveries, and then when it's over, it'll finish. You gotta go look in your promos, pay attention to the sites so that you can get in there. Like I said, available, there's nothing available for my area. That area right there, Key Largo, is a different area. But yeah, you gotta pay attention and be able to get your stuff. See, right now there's nothing red, so you couldn't dash now if you wanted to, but I'm scheduled to dash. All right, so then I'm gonna get a haircut, so next time you see me, I'm gonna be looking fresh, and then we'll be on the deliveries. All right, guys, I told you I was gonna come back with a fresh one. ¿Todo bien? I told you I was gonna come back with a fresh one. So this is the tire. I just got 2 tires because this tire went bad. See all that stuff in there, so I had to get them new tires. So we ended up with getting 4 new tires. All right, I'm gonna go to the Doordash app. I had to pause it real quick. I'm gonna hit resume. Alrighty. So basically, at 4:30, it should change. He's probably gonna let you go. At 4:30, it should change to the $2 additional promo, and we'll let you know what we get on those orders when the time comes. So I'll see you when I get there. Got a 650 plus going to Casavana. So we're already starting the day pretty good. I like the pluses because when it has that 650 plus or something with a plus on it, it's gonna be higher than 650. So see you when I get there.
At Casavana. Oh, I shouldn't have moved because he's ready to go. Usually when we come here, they take forever. In this area, it's not really good. Huh? He's coming back. Hey. That's my strong guy.
Hello.
There's 2 of them?
No wonder it's 650 plus.
I
felt like I had some dumbbells.
Alright, tell us.
Alright, guys. So we're gonna hit confirm pickup. Okay. We're gonna hit directions.
Head south towards
and we off.
312th Street, Northeast 8th Street.
See you when we get there. We dash.
Oh, it smells good.
Alright, guys, so this is the part where you want to get the communication. I always write, "Hi there, I'm on my way with your order," just so you can get good ratings, good scores,
Continue on Southwest
all that good stuff, right?
312th Street.
See you when we get there. Right, we're about to cash in. Let's go. How are you?
Hi.
There's one. It's kind of heavy. Got it?
Yes.
Alrighty. Have a great day. I'll close the door for you. You're welcome. that order went from $6.50 to $14.61.
Yeah.
But I can't give you 5 right now. Hold on. The DoorDash pay was $2.50. Customer tip was $12.11. That's what's up with them high paying orders. That's why we went 2.1 miles, 14 minutes. That's why you want to keep your accuracy. You know, what is it? Oh, we got another one. That's why you want to keep your acceptance rate high and your ratings good, because they prioritize you. Look how we started the day. First delivery, $14.61. Let's grab this McDonald's. Where are you at, McDonald's? I know you're here somewhere. I gotta wait for it to pop up. See you guys. All right, guys, we're going to Pinecrest for $6.75. I had an order that came in from McDonald's, but it didn't come all the way through. It came in as a text, but because we live in a, I'm sorry, we don't live there. The area we're at has terrible reception, so it didn't let the order go through. So it didn't let me grab it because it didn't pop up on the dash screen, and then it says they'll send you a text saying, hey, we check your connection, we tried to send you an order, but we couldn't get it to you. So we missed out on that one, but we got a $6.75 going, I think it's 3.7 miles. We gone. All right, guys, we just got the DoorDash from Pinecrest. Pickup was 4:56, so we're early. It's 4:22, 4:52. So we're gonna hit confirm. Boom.
Head south.
And we out. 2.3 miles. Let's go.
So we just got to the house, but he doesn't have enough hands for us. He's supposed to hand it to them, I think. Oh no, it's leave at the door. So he always rings the bell. Come on, I want some. It's so hot out here. 95. That's me.
Oh, all right. So $2.75 from DoorDash and $4 from the customer at $6.75. It got it, leaving us at so far a total of $21.36. It's the most money I've made in not only in the beginning of a shift, but in a little bit of time frame. We've only been dashing for less than half an hour, and we're at $21.36. Let go. All right, guys, we're on our third order, 3.5 miles for a $6.75 plus. Man, we are on a road. Let's go ahead and accept this.
Not just the pluses, but like the
Head north on
distance.
Southwest 147th Avenue towards Southwest 312th Street, Northeast State Street.
Alright guys, so we just got to McDonald's. We were very close by because of the area in which we were. I took another route to get out of there. The driver. So we got here fairly quick. Look, there's a bunch of bikes here at the McDonald's. Alright, so he took forever.
Oh, I said
He took forever. I had to
forever,
move
ever, and
because
ever,
I was
ever.
parked over there.
Forever, ever gonna. Yeah, they took a while. All right, we're going to 152nd. All right, guys. Yeah, they did take a while, but we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out. They gonna figure it out. They had like 2 Uber orders before me, and then I got it. So see you in a little bit. Almost there. We're really close.
Okay, so we found the address. We ended up passing it, so we drove by it because the 20 somethings are on that side. So we found it. 24, 27. He had to call the customer because we were like, we didn't know where it was. These addresses run a little weird here. Charming self. So we can get a good rating.
So she ordered for someone else.
Not a truck. So you get out, right? Yeah.
So yeah, so we're gonna wait till 5:30 to start our dash again,
5:20.
so that we can make sure we get those $2 plus orders. I'm gonna show you a picture of how much it was. I did a screenshot, I think. Let's see. Bear with me, guys.
Come on, get out of the way, man.
So it was for 2.4 miles, 16 minutes, $2.75 for DoorDash, $4.50 from the customer for a total of $7.25. And we were at 28.61 so far, and we've only been working for under an hour. Well, been on, not dashing for an hour, just been during,
On
not
the clock.
active during. We've only probably worked, I would say, like 30 minutes, if anything. like driving. So see you at 5:30. We're there. We're gonna turn it on. So we're gonna see what these
It's 5:30.
we're gonna see what these if we get the additional $2 when we get the order for the promo today. All right, guys, we got a Casavana. Let's open the app. It's showing $8. Gosh, let me accept that for 1.6 miles.
Head north on South
Now
West
at that point, it didn't show me
157th Northeast
if we have the
28th
additional
Avenue
$2. So when I
towards
finish, I hope to
Boulevard
see it. But $8 for 1.6 miles,
That's pretty
that's really good. See you when we get there.
good. Alright, he's back. Took a while.
So they threw me another one, I guess, and it was sitting there. I saw it when I got there, so nobody probably grabbed it.
Mhm.
We got 2 orders out of this.
Okay.
So we're going to Mike G. So I'm gonna put this in the back because we're not going to him yet. Directions.
This is Mike G.
Head north
Yeah.
towards Southwest 152nd Avenue, Northeast
Mike G,
28th
yeah.
Avenue.
And let's go.
Great, we just got to the address. Oh, that's for my hazards. And he's back.
All right, so I do not see the extra $2, so I don't know if we're just making an extra $2 on top of this, or if it's already included, or if they're gonna give it to us at the end of the day, add it up. So we'll find out how the promo for the additional $2 goes sometime today.
All right, so we just got to the second location for the Casavana orders. He's dropping it off. The customer requested they just drop it off at the door. No customer contact.
All right, so there goes the peak pay, $2. So basically, I would have got the $2 for the other order without taking this one, and this one would have been $2.75. That's why nobody grabbed it, because that order was sitting there the whole time. We're going to Mamma Mia's, $6.50 for 1.5 miles. That peak pay is making everything from low to high. You know, it's giving everyone an incentive to grab the order. So that order would have been probably $4.50. So let's go with this peak pay, boy.
Guys, so we just got to Mamma Mia's. I left them in the front, but cars are like running in and out of here, so I'm gonna find a parkeo. All right, so he's back.
That little thing really works. That thing is cold.
Yeah. So
Hey guys.
This was our first Mamma Mia's order.
First Mamma Mia's order, pizza. We're going 0.06 miles. See you when we get there in 2 minutes.
All right, so we're here at the address in which the Mamma Mia's is to be delivered. Mira how hot it is, la temporada.
It's weird. I don't see the peak pay on this one. It says $4.50, $2 for $6.50. Doesn't say the other one like the peak pay. Weird. All right, let's keep going. All right, guys. I don't see the peak pay yet on this, but this is a high paying order. 3 items, 1.7 miles for $8.50 plus. Let's accept that. All right, guys. See you when we get there.
All right, guys, he's back.
Yeah,
Let
she's
me
getting
move
the $2 too.
off my junk food out the way.
Food.
Oh no! Here, I put this there.
Like loose like a goose.
Oh, punch in a bowl of juice.
Y'all know nothing about that.
Nope.
Alright, just go that way. Go
Here.
like towards the house or something.
Okay.
Alright, guys. I'm pretty sure it's on 296 somewhere. Confirm pickup. We got the pickup. I'm gonna write the message. Alright, guys. So we're going 2.2 miles for $8.50 plus. Let's get it.
We just got to the address. You just dropped everything off. It's weird. These houses look like the back door, but I don't know. So this is the back door or the front door?
See, it's not here. It doesn't say the additional $2. I'm not sure if it's included, but it did say at one point. All right, 2.4 mile, 18 minutes, $4.50 Doordash pay, and $4.50 customer tip for $9.
I'm gonna go back there.
I still don't see the peak pay additional $2, but I don't know what to believe, if it's already there or not. See you at the next one. All right, guys, got a Casavana 850 Plus. We decided to move location from where we're at and head towards this area because it's been doing pretty good. And we got it, 2.8 miles, 850 Plus. See you when we get there.
All right, guys, so we just got to Casavana. I think the order is ready, but I'll be right back. All right, he's coming back.
No, they wanted extra lemons.
Oh.
So I told her I'll go back and get it.
Scared. Here you go.
Nah, you good.
We were
Right.
searching the thing and we didn't find it.
No problem.
Head
We're gonna
south
find it
towards
though.
Southwest 312th Street,
This
Northeast 8th Street.
is McGovern Drums, Camel Drive, the Charter School, Waterstone, 137 Waterstone Boulevard. We gone.
All right, my people, my people, we are here. We are at the address. Oh, un gato. Joel seems to attract pets. Oh, there he goes. Sorry, checking something on my phone. Come on, vámonos.
This service here is terrible,
It's
man.
horrible.
It's never gonna get out of this page.
Let's get out this way. Like, reverse.
So we got Doordash paid $4.50, customer tip $6.28 for a total of $10.78. Got it. All right, guys, we got an $8.50. We still got the peak pay from 9:30 to 9:29. That's the second shift of it, 7:30 to 9:29. For $8.50 plus at the Outback. We were at Walgreens, and we're going right there. So we'll be there in a jiffy.
All right, guys, so it's already getting dark. We usually don't dash in the dark, but because of the $2 thing, he's having us dash, so no se ve mucho. Just want to put the one down. There he is.
$14.99.
Yeah. Oh, and
Dash
this is
paid.
legal, but
Dash
we
paid
don't.
$4.50 for 2.3 miles, 17 minutes. Customer tip $10.49 for a total of $14.99. Are you out of your mind? Guys, we got 82.63 so far. Let's get it.